Guys, welcome back to the channel, to another video. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. And what you see behind me is, well, not much left of the dashboard. So I removed all the leather fabric from the dashboard and we are going for Alcantara. Let me show you the end result. So the plan for this video today is to install the dashboard. We are going full Alcantara, same as the A-pillars. We are going to install the door cards on both sides. Already got this one. Those are brand new from Brazil with the tweeters. We already fixed the wiring. When you open the door, the lights will go on underneath the pedals and also underneath the seats. So hopefully that still works when everything is installed. We are going to install a brand new steering wheel from the Fiat 500X. Brand new air conditioning panel. Yeah, lots of work to do. So yeah, let's go. Well guys, the dashboard is in. I'm very happy with the result, to be honest. There's a slight color difference between the A-pillars and the dashboard. So you might wonder, well, cool that you did all the Alcantara, but why don't you show us how you did it? So I'm gonna show you right now, because I got some fabric left and the color difference is annoying. So I'm gonna remove the A-pillar and install the new fabric. Let's go. So the way this works is just a final wrap like this. If you ever have wrapped a car before, then you know what wrap final is. It's pretty sticky. So normally this is the A-pillar with the old fabric. The old fabric, you just peel everything off. And now it's time to install the new fabric. So this is the A-pillar. You remove the old fabric and then you just get your final Alcantara. Just put it on like this and you just simply stretch it like this. Of course you need to cut all the excessive parts, but yeah, basically in the end, if you do it right, it will look like this. So yeah, pretty easy, everybody can do it. I'm gonna finish this off camera, but yeah, it's just to show you how it all works. So if you have done it right, then it will look like this. It looks OEM, to be honest. And from behind it will look like this. So I removed all the excessive fabric in here and the end result is this. Very nice Alcantara. So I'm gonna do that one also and we're gonna install the rest. I will leave a link in the description where I bought all the material, so if you want it then you can have it yourself. Let's go! To see if the electric seats are working, I need to turn on the ignition. And there are some buttons over here. And they are working. That's great because those seats are very rare. Most of these Fiat Stilos are on the scrapyard. So goodies like these, it's very hard to find. Next plan is to install the glove box, radio, and of course the brand new steering wheel. It's the Fiat 500X steering wheel. Normally it does not work in this car, but I made it work, so we're gonna test it. And yeah, we're gonna finish up some other parts in the interior, but overall it's starting to look good. I'm happy. So I'm gonna install the standard radio for now. First to see if all the buttons are working. And then later on in the end I'm gonna install the Android radio. Well guys, look at that interior. I'm very happy with it. Especially the Alcantara. Look, oh man, that A-pillar is looking amazing together with the dashboard, of course. I still need to fix the air vents over there. They are still loose. The radio will be gone. The air conditioning panel is from the Fiat Bravo. I used the original housing, but I used the buttons from the Bravo, the LCD panel from the Bravo. I changed the LEDs. Then the steering wheel is from the Fiat 500X or the Fiat Tipo, the latest model. And I made those buttons work, so let's see if they still work, because it's very fragile. Yeah, let's turn on the ignition and look at that panel. Yeah, that's great. So the radio will be gone. Let's see if it works. Enter. Okay, so standard radio. Yeah, okay. Volume up. Volume down. So yeah, that's working. Turn it off before I get any copyright issues. Hopefully that won't happen. So I'm gonna install some music under this. Well, you might wonder, how did you do it with the steering wheel? Let me show you. This steering wheel normally the car is working on a CAN bus network, so all the modules are talking via the CAN bus, and that's the CAN bus driver on here. But this steering wheel from the Fiat 500X is using the LIN bus, which is also used on BMWs and other cars, so they can't communicate. So what I did is I used the print over here and I cut all the traces, and I used some very thin wire. I hope you can see it on here. And I basically soldered this wire, for example, volume up, and the other end of the wire is going to the circuit board over here, which is from the old steering wheel, and I soldered that wire to the volume up on this one. So what happens then is this button is using the CAN bus network from the original steering wheel, and that's how it works. I hope it makes sense, but I'm very happy it's still working. So in the next video, guys, we are going to replace this fender or front wing, how you want to call it, for this one, which comes off a 3-door scrap car. Basically what we are going to do is, if I line it up like this, we are extending the front of the car, which will make it different, but that I also need brand new headlights. Brand new for the 3-door version. So basically what I said in the beginning of the first video, we are going to redesign the car. So this is normally, the 5-door was normally meant to be a family car, and you had the 3-door version which was more the sporty version, which I want. So we're gonna replace the fender, the wing, the headlights, and we are gonna use this bumper. Let me show you. This is the bumper that I'm going to use. It's from the Michael Schumacher version. It was a damaged fiberglass version, which you can see over here. That does not really matter because I'm going to wrap the car in the end. So this will all be temporary. So it still looks like a boring 5-door car, but in the end this will be a very nice car, at least I hope. Guys, we are slowly progressing in turning this old car into a modern car. Slowly, but we are getting there. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.